Welcome to the Gardenary channel, where we are on a mission to get everybody to start a garden, even busy people like you. I've been helping beginner gardeners start gardens for more than 9 years, and I've seen all the mistakes. And one of the biggest ones that people make is in the setup of their garden. In fact, 9 times out of 10, when I meet someone who's failed in the garden before, it's not because they don't have a green thumb. It's not because they don't have the right space. It's just because their setup was off. And here at Gardenary, especially here on this channel, you're gonna learn all about how to set up your garden for success the first time. One unique thing about us here at Gardenary is I actually own a garden installation business. So you're not just gonna see videos from my own garden, you're also gonna get to see videos from loads of our clients too. So we'll bring you behind the scenes. You'll get to see each and every part of the process, from my initial meeting with the clients all the way to the garden design, the installation, and even the planting and tending. If you've got a question about garden setup, you'll find the answer here at Gardenary. Another unique aspect about us at Gardenary is that we cover all kinds of climates. I myself have gardened in a freezing cold place called Chicago, a very hot place called Houston, Texas, and now in a milder, temperate climate called Nashville, Tennessee. We also have Gardenary consultants that are all over the country, even across the world. And so we teach how to garden in all these different zones and climates. So if you found yourself watching a YouTube from another gardener and wondering if it has anything to do with where you garden, then you're gonna find a much better answer here on the Gardenary channel. Another thing we love to teach here at Gardenary is all about the timing. Because I have lots of garden clients, they are always asking me when to do what. And we've created a system for it. It's called the Gardenary Seasons. So here on the channel, you're gonna learn what to plant each and every month, depending on where you live and garden. And our goal at Gardenary is to be sure that you don't miss a season, because there's actually lots more time to grow in the year than most gardeners know. And we'll help you be sure that you make the most of each and every month that you've got to grow. Once you've got your setup and you know your seasons, it's time for plants. And here at Gardenary, we've got a very different way that we plant the garden. It's our intensive planting system. And if you love being surrounded by loads of plants, then you are going to absolutely love the way we plant our gardens. Now you're probably thinking, but wait, she said this is for busy people. Believe me, it has to be, because I am one of those busy people. Once you start to try out the Gardenary setup system, once you start to understand your seasons and use our intensive planting method, you'll find that you have this beautiful, productive garden that you can take care of in less than 5 minutes a day. Seriously. So if having a beautiful garden setup, understanding your seasons, and knowing exactly what and when to plant sounds like your kind of gardening, then you've come to the right place. My name's Nicole Johnsey-Burke. I'm the founder and owner of Gardenary and the author of 3 gardening books: Kitchen Garden Revival, Leaves, Roots, and Fruit, and the 5-Minute Gardener. And I'm just one member of the growing Gardenary community. So you know what you've got to do. First, tell me in the comments where you're gardening. Hit that like button, subscribe, tell your friends, your family, everybody in your town to follow us here at Gardenary, and then grab our incredible Gardenary calendar. It's free. You can download it right below this video at gardenary.com/calendar. I am so glad you're here. I'll see you in the garden.